Okay everyone, so today we're learning how to make thick and quick acai bowls. So what I like about acai bowls over smoothies is that when you make a smoothie and you're drinking with the straw or just drinking it from the cup, you're not really getting satisfied. When you know how to make a good thick acai bowl, you eat it with a spoon and it's nourishing and it feels like a meal replacement. And it's also totally customizable, so you can put whatever it is you want in it or on top of it, making it super fun and super creative. The first main ingredient that we need for this is going to be a frozen acai packet. You can get them from Trader Joe's like me, where I got an unsweetened one because personally I don't like things too sweet and I like to moderate how sweet it is, or else you can also find ones that are already sweetened and other brands, but this is the main base for the acai bowl. In addition to the acai bowl packet, I'm gonna be adding my key ingredient for making it super thick, and that's additional frozen fruit. So what I have here is some frozen banana and some frozen berry medley. So that is gonna be our key. On top of that, I'm also gonna be adding a little bit of protein powder, just giving it a little bit more of replenish and nutritional value for your body. And our mixer that I'm using today is going to be oat milk. I'm an oat milk fan, but you can use apple juice, almond milk, cashew milk, regular milk, water, whatever it is that resonates with you. For me, it's oat milk today. Now I'm gonna add all of the ingredients into my magic bullet. I love the magic bullet because it's super easy to use and super portable. You can just take the top off and either take it like this, or they have other cups that you can take on the go with you. Super functional for the college student on the go. First, let's get the acai bowl packet in there. Let's add in the rest of our frozen fruit. 1 scoop of protein powder. And to top it off, a little bit of oat milk. So rule of thumb with adding the liquid is if you're trying to keep it super thick, add a little bit at a time. You can always add more, but it's more annoying when you have to add more fruit to get it back to the thicker consistency. So just start little by little. Time to blend. Being that we're trying to keep it thick, it could take a while, but patience is what's going to get you the perfect consistency. And also a lot of blending, and then you shake, get it back on there. In some cases you might need a little bit more oat milk. I'm gonna add a little bit more oat milk. Eventually, the acai mix will get to the perfect consistency. And that's when you want to transfer it from the magic bullet to your bowl. Make sure you do this fast though, because the longer you wait, it'll start to melt and it'll go from a thick bowl to a thin bowl really fast. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it's like ice cream. Delicious. Amazing. Check this out. Perfect. These cute little coconut bowls. The bananas and the chocolate protein powder make it the perfect amount of sweetness. So even though there's no real sweetener, it's delicious. I just sliced some strawberries and bananas because I love those on top of my acai bowls. Also adding some flax seeds, chocolate chips, peanut butter, and granola. But like I said before, the beauty of these bowls are that you can add whatever you like on top of them, completely customizable. Little drizzle of agave right over the top. I love agave. It's a super healthy alternative to honey or other sweeteners. I kind of like the burnt flavor-ish it has, but definitely give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. I cannot wait to dig into this acai bowl. I mean, look at this. Incredible. Again, the full ingredient and directions for this acai bowl are in the description below, along with some of the items I used in today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.